Today we're going to talk about a new feature in Canva. It can help you turn your book cover into something that moves. So this is my original book cover, and this is the image to animate version. It just makes a 3-second clip from whatever image you give it. Let me show you how that works. Go to the Canva homepage and open an empty file. The book cover, just because it's about the right size. If you're new here, this is Canva Tips for Authors, where we show authors how to use Canva for their book marketing. I'm Jeevani Charika, or Rhoda Baxter. I taught myself how to use Canva, and now I'm sharing the knowledge with you. If you'd like to talk to other authors about how to use Canva, join the Facebook group. It's free, and the link is in the description. If you'd like some free stuff to hit the ground running with your book promotions, sign up for the newsletter. Again, link in the description. Right, so let's find a book cover. This is How Can I Resist You, which was one of my books from last year. Now this is it's just a JPEG file, so there are no extra layers, so there's no layer thing. This is just all one big lump. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use Canva's new image to video feature. So it's a Canva Pro feature, so you'll need Canva Pro for that. If you'd like to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, there is a link in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, but it is an affiliate link. So we're going to take this, but before we do that, we're going to duplicate it so that we can look at the original. Right, let's go back. Go back to image to video, and you can either use the auto or you can prompt it. I'm going to use the auto because weirdly that worked better than any of the prompts I gave it. So hit go, and it takes a minute to think about it. Okay, that is quite peculiar. Let's not do that one. Generate again, please. Okay, that's not too bad. So essentially it's just taken my book cover and animated it. And I can add video to design. And you could do this a few times if you wanted to get something that works for you. That's quite balmy, but anyway. So there you go, that's the original. You can see the colors are a little bit different, but generally it starts with what you've got and then they move. They stop with a seagull over a face. Anyway, it's quite cool. It does not work if you have people's faces in. So let me find another book cover. So this is my Rhoda Baxter book that came out last year. Now this has 2 people on it. And if you try and do image to video here, it usually says no. There we go. So it contains a face. So that's like a safety feature that's built in. This is an AI feature, obviously. So use it only if you're happy using AI. That's it, really. I think it's quite a cool feature. What do you think? Would you use it? Let me know.